Hello everybody in middle one. Today inshallah we will talk about the last revision about geometry. So now let's start our revision. The first question here: if two straight lines intersect, intersect, we have two straight line intersect like this. So we have two vertically opposite angle equal in measure. If we have if we have two straight line intersect, so we have each two vertically opposite angle equal in measure. The second equation here, the angle 30 complement what? If we have two complementary angles, the sum of them equal 90, but if we have two supplementary angles, the sum of them equal 180. So in this equation, the angle 30 complements, so subtract from 90, so our answer 90 minus 30 equal 60 degrees. This is my answer, because he asked about complement, not supplementary. Question number 3, I have triangle ABC concurrent triangle XYZ. Yeah, so we have two triangle like this, ABC, A, B, C, and XYZ. He gave me measure angle A 60, so measure angle X 60. I have measure angle B 40, so measure angle Y what? 40. I want to find the third angle. The sum of entire angle in any triangle equal 180. So our answer, I want to find the third angle here in this triangle. So 180 minus open bracket 60 plus what? Plus 40. So we have our answer 80 degrees. 80 what? 80 degrees. The next equation here. If we have measure angle X equal 100 degrees. I have angle 100. I want to find the reflex angle. How we can find the reflex angle? So subtract from 360 minus 100 to becomes 200 what? And 60. So if I give you angle and I want to find the reflex angle, so now subtract from 360. My question now is the two perpendicular line on the third. I have two perpendicular line. I have here straight line like this, and I have two straight line perpendicular. The first is and second. I have two perpendicular to the third, so these two perpendicular what? Parallel. So if I have two perpendicular line on a third, so these two perpendicular are what? Are parallel. My question now, two right angled are concurrent. I have two right angled are concurrent. If what? If I have hypotenuse and one side, and what? And one side of the our triangle are concurrent with the corresponding parts of the second triangle. So we have two right angled. So now we have hypotenuse and one side. If he asked you, I have two triangle concurrent. If two side and what? An included angle. I have in the lesson four cases. The first case, I have two triangle concurrent if I have two sides and included angle. The second, two angle and the side drawn between vertices. The third, I have S, each side equal. The fourth case, I have right angle triangle, so we have hypotenuse and one side. My question now, if I have two straight line parallel, so what's the intersect? I have L1 parallel to L2, so I have L1 intersect L2 equal what? Equal 5. If you have two straight line parallel, so this two straight line make intersect? No. So L1 intersect L2 equal what? Equal 5. My question now, the measure of each angle of two equal complementary angle. I have two angle complementary, but this angle what equal in measure. So we have two angles, the sum of them equal 90. So because we have these two angles equal in measure, divide 2. So our answer here 45 degree. 45. I want to find the measure of angle of each two angles. I have here a straight angle like equal 180. I have straight angle 180. So I want to find the value of x here. So the first step 180 minus 60 and divided what? Divided 3. Divided the number beside x. So we have 180 minus 60 equal 120. Divide 3 equal what? Equal 40. The value of x. This value of x. 180 minus 60 divided what? Divided 3. I have AB line segment. What the relation between AB line segment and AB the ray? So we have AB line segment subset from the ray of AB and subset of the straight line AB. We have here triangle ABC concurrence. Another triangle XY. Then we have AB equal what? Equal XY. My answer XY. The reflex angle more than what and less than what? Yes, excellent. The reflex angle more than 180 and less than 360. Take care. But I have acute angle more than 0 and less than 90. But right angle equal 90. But obtuse angle more than 90 and less than 180. But straight angle equal 180. If a straight line intersects two parallel straight line, again, if a straight line intersects two parallel straight lines, then every two interior angle on one side of a transversal supplementary. Supplementary. Again, supplementary. We have here a straight line intersecting two parallel straight line. Then every two interior. So our answer supplementary. If I have a straight line intersect two parallel straight line, then each two alternate angle equal in measure. Each two corresponding angle equal in measure. But if I said every two interior supplementary, alternate angle equal in measure, corresponding angle equal in measure. This is our question now. My question now. The sum of accumulated angle at point equal 360 and for all four right angles. So my question, the sum of accumulated angle at point equal 360 degrees or for right angle. Two triangles are concurrent if two sides and included angle. If I say two triangles are concurrent if two sides and what? And included angle. Two angle and side drawing between their vertices is angle. Or the third case, we have each side equal inside, and the fourth case, what about right angle triangle? We have hypotenuse and one side. I have here line segment AB concurrent, line segment CD, then AB minus CD equal what? Equal 0. Two complementary angle. I want from you, I have these two complementary angle, like 30 and 60. This outer side, what's the relation? What the relation between this outer side? Perpendicular. What? Perpendicular. So, two complementary angle. The outer sides of the angle, what? Perpendicular. And if we have two supplementary angle, I have two supplementary angle like this. We have two adjacent supplementary angle. Made from what? Made from intersection between straight line and ray with starting point. So we have two supplementary angle. I want to know, I have two outer side. What? Outer side here on the same straight line. Straight what? Straight line. So outer side in two complementary angle perpendicular. But outer side in two supplementary angle on the same straight line. My question now is obtuse angle supplement what? Obtuse angle supplement acute angle. Again, obtuse angle supplement what? Acute angle. Give yourself a example about obtuse angle like 100 and find the supplement of this 100. We have 80. So what's the type of this angle? Acute. So obtuse angle supplement to what? Acute angle. The straight line that perpendicular to one of two parallel. I have two parallel. Like this. And I have a straight line perpendicular to one of two parallel straight lines. So perpendicular to the other. Perpendicular to the other. I have a straight line perpendicular to one of two parallel. Two straight line parallel. The straight line parallel to one of two parallel straight lines, so perpendicular to the other. The angle 30, supplement. So supplement subtracted from what? Subtracted from 180. So 180 minus 30 equal 150 degrees. This is my question now. My question now I have measure angle A plus measure angle B equal 180. Then angle A and angle B are what? Are supplementary. Because we have supplementary angle, the sum of them equal 180. But if we have angle A plus angle B equal 90, so we have these two angles are complementary. If a line segment extended from one of its terminal without limit, if I have line segment like this, and we have this line segment extended from one direction, it will be what? It will be ray. Take care from this point. But if he extended from the opposite direction, so we have a straight line. The angle 89 degrees and 60 minutes is what? What's the type of this angle? 89 degrees and 60 minutes means 1 degree. I have 60 minutes means what? Means 1 degree. So this 1 degree add to 89 to becomes 90. Our angle, what? Right angle. This right angle, because we have 60 minutes means what? Equal 1 degrees. We have now if two straight line parallel to the third. I have two straight line parallel to the third, so these two straight line are what? Are parallel. This is my answer. My question now, two angles are congruent. If equal in measure. But if we have two straight line congruent if equal in length. We have this straight angle equal 180. So 180 divided the number beside x. We have, or the sum of these two angles. 3x plus 6 equal 9. I have 180 over what? Over 9, because the sum of them 6x plus 3x equal 9x. So we have 3x plus 6x equal 180. So 9x equal 180. So now divide 9 to becomes what? To become the value of x equal 20. Angle x supplement angle y. Angle x supplement angle y. So, and the x equal half y. By using my ratio of junior 6, we have x to y. X equal half y. So 1 to 2. X equal half y. 2, the sum of them equal 3. And he put the sum of these angles. We have supplementary, so put what? Put 180. If I said complementary, so put what? Put 90. I have x to y to 180 because we have supplement. I have 1 to 2 because I have x equal half y, and the sum of them equal 3. Now, by using my ratio of junior 6, I want to find major angle y. So y equal 2 times 180 over what? Over 3. We have here 60, we have 120. My angle y equal 120 and x equal 60. So now 60 have 120. My question now, I have two triangles ABD and CBD. I have two triangles, so we have three conditions about congruence. I have to find the angle CBD, and I want to find the length of the side DC. But we have two triangles now, two triangles ABD, and CBD. We have three conditions now. I have measure angle A equal measure angle C equal 90 degrees, and I have AB equal CB, and I have DB common hypotenuse, or common side. I have DB common hypotenuse or common side. So we have now this fourth case. So we have the first triangle ABD concurrence, the second triangle CBD. So now, and we get the result of this concurrence. So we have AD equal CD equal 3 centimeter, and I have measure angle ABD equal measure angle CBD equal 30 degrees. This is my requirement in this question. I have two triangle concurrence, but take care, we must write three conditions to arrive to our concurrence. So I have ABD and CBD. So we have three conditions: AB equal CB. I have angle A equal angle C, right angle, and we have DB common side or common hypotenuse. So now we have a concurrence between these two triangles. So we get AD equal CD and the angle ABD equal angle CBD. My question now, here we have parallel. I have parallel in Z. I have DE parallel what? AC. I have here, I want to find angle C. Angle C. In the first, we have angle Z. We have angle Z. We have Z. Sorry. The first step, look at DE parallel to what? CA. And DC transversal. So we have measure angle D equal measure angle C equal 60 degrees. Alternate angles. Again, we have, since we have DE parallel to CA and we have DC transversal, so we have two angles. Measure angle D equal measure angle C, alternate angles. Let's look at to the AB and CD. I have, since AB parallel CD, and what transversal here? What transversal? CA transversal. So we have these two angles supplementary. The sum of them equal 180. So measure angle A equal 180 minus what? Minus 60 here. Minus 60 equal 120 interior angle. Interior what? Interior angle. Take care. In Z, alternate angles. In U, interior angle. This is my question now. Now we have two triangles here, AEB and DEC. I want to from you write the reason of this our concurrence. Mention to our concurrence. Yes. Search about our conditions. We have A equal D and we have AE equal DE. But these two conditions, what the third condition here? We have this angle equal this angle because we have two straight line intersect. I have AC intersect with DB, so we have each vertical opposite angle AEB equal DEC. So we have here two triangle AEB and DEC. We have here three conditions. Measure angle A equal measure angle D, and we have AE equal DE. And we have measure angle AEB equal measure angle DEC. VOA, vertical opposite angle. So now we have conditions of concurrence. So we have now the first triangle AEB concurrence, the second triangle DEC. This is our question now. Mention to the concurrence and write three conditions about this concurrence. Now we have AO parallel DH parallel SN parallel BC. I have AO parallel to DH parallel to SN parallel to BC. I have AO parallel DH parallel SN parallel BC. And we have AB and AC transversal. AB and AC transversal. And we have AD equal DS equal SCP. So we have here, therefore, so since in the first sense AO parallel to DH parallel SN parallel to PC, and we have AB and AC transversal of them, so we have AD equal DS equal SCB, therefore AH equal HN equal MC equal 12 divided 3, so we have 4 centimeter. This 4. If you want to find the length of side AH, 4. I want to find AN, 4 plus 4 equal 8 centimeter. This is my question now. In my question now, we have the accumulative angle at point equal 360. We have angle AMP 110, and I have angle ABMC 90 degrees, and I have CMD 40. I want to find this angle. So the sum, since the sum of accumulative angle at point equals 360, so measure angle AMD equals 360 minus on bracket 110 plus 90 plus what? Plus 40. By using your calculator, you can get your angle. We have here two triangles ABD and CBD. I want to find the angle C, and I want to find the angle angle P, ABC. In the first, we have two triangles. ABD and CBD. We have here three conditions. I have AB equal CB, AB equal CB, and I have AD equal CD, and I have DP common side. Common what? Common side. So we have now, since this triangle and this three condition, so therefore we have the first triangle ABD concurrent to triangle CBD. So now we get measure angle A equal measure angle C equal 100, and we have measure angle ABD equal measure angle CBD equal 50 degrees. So measure angle ABC equal 50 plus 50 equal 150, and this 50. So our angle C equal angle A equal 100, and angle ABD equal angle CBD equal 50 degrees. Is my question now. I have AP parallel CD. I want to find this angle. I want to find angle ACE. So now divide my question. We have the letter U like this, and I have another letter U like this. Let's start about the first U. I have this AP side parallel CD. I have since AP parallel CD, and I have AC transversal, therefore measure angle is angle ACD, equal 180 minus 60, 120. Interior angle is 120. But let's move to another U. This U. I have CD parallel EF. And what transversal? CE transversal. So we have measure angle DCE, angle DCE equal 180 minus 40 equal 140 degrees. So this is 100 what? 40. I want to find this angle. I have a 1, 2, 3 angles accumulated at points. The sum of them 360. So measure angle ACE 360 minus open bracket 120 plus 140. By using your calculator you can get your angle. Here we have straight line AC intersect with BD. We have straight angle in down. Straight angle in down equal 180. I have measure angle AMC 180. Since we have a straight angle, equal 180, we have here MD bisector of angle CMH. MD bisector of angle CMH. This bisect angle CMH. So divide to two equal angles. So angle CMD equal angle DMH. We have measure angle CMD equal measure angle DMH. Because we have MD bisect this angle equal 180 minus 90, divided what? Divided 2, thank you, equal 45 degrees. So we have 45 here and 45 what? Here. This angle 45. What about this angle? Yes, 45, because we have two straight lines intersect. So this angle equals this angle, vertical opposite angle. So we have measure angle CMD equal measure angle BMA equal 45 VOA. This angle 45. If you want to find BMC, you can use many ways. The first way, 180 minus 45 equal 135. 180 minus 45 equal 135. And you can use accumulated angles 360 minus open bracket 45 plus 90 plus 45 plus 40 what? Plus 45. This is my question now. In my question now we have two triangles AED and CEB, and he asked me, is this triangle concurrent this triangle? Let's search about my condition. In two triangles, I have two triangles AED and CEB. We have here AE equals CE, and we have DE equal BE. And we have two straight lines intersect, so we have two vertical opposite angle equal in measure. Measure angle AED equal measure angle CEB VOA. So we have two side and the included angle with two side and the included angle. So now we have concurrent with the triangle. First triangle AED concurrent, second triangle CEB. Yes, our conditions. We have here I want to find this angle ACE. To solve this equation, we must divide our example to Z. I have this is the first Z. The first Z since we have AB parallel to CD and we have AC transversal. So we have measure angle A equal measure angle ACD equal 40 alternate angle. This 40 we have measure angle A equal measure angle ACD 40 alternate angles. Another Z here we have DC parallel to EF and CE transversal. So we have measure angle DCE equal measure angle E equal 55 degrees. So 55 here, 55. And you want to now find the angle ACE, alternate angle here. Don't forget this word, alternate in Z corresponding in F and sorry in U. So in the first Z, this 40 and this 40. In the second Z, we have 55 and 55 because we have parallel and transversal. So now measure angle ACE equal 40 plus 55 equal 95 degrees. This is about my equation now. My equation now, I have AE bisect angle A, bisect all angle A. So we have measure angle BAE equal measure angle EAC AC equal 24 degrees. So this 24. I have angle A equal 48 degrees. So I have measure angle A equal 24 plus 24 equal 48 degrees. Now we have angle A 48 and we have angle C 48. So we have two angles. I have measure angle A equal measure angle C equal 48 degrees. And they are alternate angle. They are what? Alternate what? Angles. And I have AC transversal. So we have now AB parallel to what? CD. So our question now is AB and CD parallel or not? I have angle BAE equal angle EAC. So I have angle A equal 48 and the angle C equal 48. So I have two angles. They are alternate angles. So now I have AB parallel CD. But we have here in our question now is DA and CB parallel or not? I have parallel between AB and DC. Again, I have AP or PA. It's not maker. PA parallel CD. I have PA parallel CD since PA parallel CD and this parallel this. Look at the letter of U. Letter of U. Yes, I have PA parallel CD and DA transversal. DA transversal. So now in letter U, I have this angle and this angle, the sum of them 180 supplementary. So measure angle D equal 180 minus what? Minus 63 equal 117 degrees. This is 117. Now I have surprise. I have surprise. Our surprise, I have angle D equal angle BCE. Measure angle D equal measure angle BCE. B equal 117. And they are corresponding angle. Corresponding what? Corresponding angle. And we have DE transversal. So now what parallel what? I have DA parallel to what? CB. So I have here parallel between BA and CD in letter U. So 180 minus 63 get 117. So now I have surprise this angle equals this angle, and they are corresponding angle. So now we have a parallel between DE and CB. So now this is our question now. In this question we have I want to find the angle BAC, this angle, and I want to find this angle C. So now we have parallel between AD and CP, and I have AB transversal. Since I have AD parallel to CP and AB transversal, so now measure angle DAB equal angle B. Measure angle DAB equal measure angle B equal 51 alternate angle. Alternate because we have letter Z. Yes, like this, 51. And since we have AD bisector of all these angles, so I have measure angle EAD equal measure angle DAB equal 51. So 51 here and 51 here. I have this straight line, and we have this the first point. I can find this angle for straight line, 180 minus open bracket 51 plus 51. But I have another way. I have letter F. Letter what? Letter F. AD parallel CP. AD parallel CB. But we have CE transversal. So now I have measure angle C equal measure angle what? DAE. DAE equal 51 corresponding angle. Letter of F, corresponding angle, letter F. This is 51. I want to find the third angle from the sum of interior angle equal 180 minus open bracket 51 plus 51 get third angle. I have here two triangles like ABD and ACD. I have two triangles ABD and ACD. You have two triangles, so go to write three conditions. I have three conditions here. AB equal AC. And AD common side. And we have measure angle BAD equal measure angle CAD equal 30 degrees. So now the first triangle ABD concurrent to the second triangle ACD. So now we get measure angle B equal measure angle what? C equal 50. This is 50. And BD equal CD equal 3 centimeter. This is our question now. Now we will learn how I can draw angle and bisect it, and draw bisector of this angle. Now draw angle like 80 degrees. I want to draw angle like 80 degrees. Like this, the first ray like AB, and by using your protractor here, and from right 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I want my angle 80, 70 as you like, and draw your angle 80 degrees like this, A, B, and C. So now by using your compass, so at the vertex of angle, this vertex of angle, and draw arc. Your arc intersect two ray
add 2 points here and here, here and here, and change your open about compass and stop here in the first here and draw your arc like this, and stop here and draw another arc, intersect the first arc, intersect at this point like this. Now from vertex, connect between the point of vertex and the point of intersect between two arc like this. We have this bisector, this equals this is 80 degrees, so 40 degrees, and this 40 degrees. This the first drawing. If I want learn how I can draw angle and bisect it. Now if I want draw how I can draw a line segment and draw axis of symmetry of this. If you asked me draw a line segment like 7 centimeter like this, 7 centimeter draw, or 6 centimeter draw with your ruler, drawing your line segment like 6 centimeter like this, 6 centimeter, and determine the point of half at 3. Point of half at what? Point of half at 3 like this. A, B. Stop here at B and open more than the point of half, and draw arc up and arc down, arc up and arc what, and arc down. At the same opens, stop at A and intersect up and intersect down. So we have to intersect up and down. Connect between your intersect like this, connect between this intersect and this intersect. So now we have this axis of symmetry. This is called what? Axis of symmetry. What the definition of axis of symmetry? Perpendicular from midpoint of line segment. This axis of symmetry. Our definition is axis of symmetry perpendicular from midpoint of line segment. So now I finished my revision for middle one about geometry. Thank you for your listening.